In front of me is Oppo A3 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that, and install free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. Then thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!